Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video we will show you how to set or change the IP address on your Fujifilm C3060 printer. This quick and clear video walks you through the step-by-step network configuration process, including accessing the admin panel, navigating to TCP, IP settings, and assigning a static IP address. Perfect for office setup, troubleshooting, or improving network stability. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.